Hello guys, good morning. Kuha tayo ng pagkain ng kan. Kuha tayo ng pagkain. Kuha tayo ng pagkain. Kuha tayo ng pagkain, okay. Kuha tayo ng pagkain guys. Ang daming pagkain. Daming pagkain. Sabi nga gusto nyo na propose daw. Kuha ako ng pagkain ng bata. Oh, sa macaroni. Hindi ako masyadong makapag-live kasi wala akong tagakon. Hi, my baby shark. This is your food. But you have to be baby, okay? Can you? May alaga akong anak. This one put here. Wait. That's a picture, yeah? Don't always put that. Which one do you want to eat? Maybe this one. You have to eat while watching, okay? You have to eat, okay? Okay. I will get my foods, okay? What do you want to drink? You want orange juice? Baby? Kain po tayo. Free. Mango juice, Tux, passion fruit, fresh watermelon. Eat baby. If you don't eat, I will close I will close Gigi. You have to eat first, okay? You eat first. You eat. You eat while watching Gigi. Baby, I will close this one. Okay. I will get my foods, okay? Hindi ko lang type yung sushi. I think I need also 8 kasi magkakuan tayo mag-gym tayo mamaya. So I get one fried, one boiled egg. May mga noodles din dito siya. May rice, may fried rice. Tapos pa ito. May cereal din. Steam brown rice. Oh. Taro dumplings. Try this one. Binbang. Try bell tomato. 1 sausage. 1 spring. And we get some. Oh, masarap to. Aros. Yung dito, aros ito sa amin, no? Okay. Tignan mo naman, no? Para akong naubusan ng pagkain, no? Yung kuha ko. Isang pots. Tama na muna to, baka di ko maubos. Baby, you have to eat, baby. Yeah, I will open it up. Grabe yung ganitong experience, no? Hindi mo sukot akalain nung gagawa mo to. Do you want milk, baby? Do you want milk? Do you want nene? I get some. Ganda yung pan, oh. Yung milk nila, oh, talagang fresh na fresh. Yeah, talagang fresh na fresh yung nini nila, oh. Fresh na fresh yung milk nila. Ako lang yung nakagarito ng suot, ah. Good morning, guys, kain tayo, ah. Good morning sa lahat. If you don't eat, I will close it. I will close. You have okay. Yeah. Now you have to eat first, Alvin. Then you because we are going to playground and we are going to swimming pool. If you don't eat, we didn't go there. We don't go there. Okay? You promise to me that you eat first? Huh? Come on, eat first. Eat. Eat first, baby. See? Hi guys, kain tayo. Ako lang yung ganitong damit Okay lang. Thank you Lord sa pagkain ito. Grabe yung experience na to. Masarap to yung arosip sa Ilocano. Eat baby, eat. Thank you Lord. Grabe yung binibigay ni Lord na experience sa mga ganito, no? Pero pag tayo lang, hindi natin siya ma-afford. Grabe, sobrang mahal ng isa. Nasa 4,000 to 5,000 per day ang isa dito. Pero sulit naman kasi marami kang mapupuntahan. Saka yung mga spa, yung mud bath. Pero pag ako, hindi ko kaya. I will close?
No.
You have to eat first. What was it? Okay. Ipi, don't touch it. Eat first, baby. Clem, eat first while are you eating? Eat and while you watching, okay? If you don't eat, I will close. Baby, you have to listen very well, okay? Grilled na kamatis. Masarap tong inihaw na kamatis sa atin, hindi na sana na. Itong pagkain.
You see, but no, for the I'm sure today we want to do for me.
Bye-bye guys, kakain muna ako. Baka makita yung kung gaano ko karami kumain.